Moderate mag. 4.3 earthquake 58 kilometers south of Shihazi, Xinjiang, China, on Sunday, June 25, 2023 at 9:44 p.m. local time, according to the KNDC, Kazakhstan National Data Center reported. Updated, June 25, 2023 15:26 Greenwich Mean Time 8 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Quake data, interactive map, user reports, earlier quakes here, quakes in OR near China, Xinjiang. Moderate magnitude 4.3 earthquake at 10 kilometers depth. This quake is 100 accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.